the Samsung Galaxy A10s. And yes, Samsung already has the A10 and A10e, but this has a couple of changes that helps differentiate it from those devices. This is my review. Let's get to the video. To begin with, if you're new to this channel, I highly recommend that you hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notifications so you get notified the next time I upload a video. In the box, we have a quick start guide. I don't know if anybody still reads this, but we have it, a wall adapter, a micro USB cable, headphones, and a SIM remover too. Then we have the phone itself. First, let's talk about that design. Before trying this, I have been using the A20. A full review is on my channel, I'm going to link that above. Design wise, these look pretty the same, still plastic built, but in this case, the chin below looks really big compared to my A20. This has a 6.2-inch LCD display with a resolution of 720p. The LCD display looks okay, colors look good, vibrant. It's okay when consuming content, but you should remember this is a 720p panel, so consuming YouTube videos, it's limited to 720p too. On the display, we have a teardrop notch, which I still think looks really pretty. It also houses the 8-megapixel selfie camera. On the rear, we have a dual camera system with a 13-megapixel f1.8 wide-angle lens and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The cameras, I must say, aren't the greatest I've seen. For example, this video was shot standing still, but the footage is really shaky. The selfie camera produces just okay pictures. The highlights are all over the place. But this is not a flagship device. This costs around $138. I bought this for 680 Ghana cedis here in Ghana. So this device is just okay. This device is powered by a MediaTek chip, 2GB of RAM, and 32GB of storage. This device performs moderately well. I didn't expect much from this device, but it was able to play a couple of games. If you are not a power user, this device is going to serve you well. This device runs Android 9 with One UI installed, which I still like. It has little features like dark mode, stuff to protect your eye and all those little things, which I find really amazing. This device is equipped with a 4000 mAh battery, which is not just good on paper. Since I use this as my secondary device, I'm able to squeeze 2 days of use without actually charging my device. So I actually like this device. But a point to note is that the A20 is just about $25 more than this device and has an AMOLED display, a slightly bigger screen, the Exynos chip, 3GB of RAM. You should actually consider the price range of these devices when making a purchase. Just like my A20 though, the fingerprint sensor 35% of the time doesn't work for me. I just tend to use the on-screen unlock pattern on my device. All in all, I think this device is a cool device. It's not so expensive. I'm actually surprised Samsung is still making phones in this price range. So I think this is an amazing device considering the price point. So this brings us to the end of the video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new to this channel, turn on that post notification so you get notified the next time I upload a video. You can share this video with your friends to help them make a purchasing decision. I'm always hanging out with you down in the comment section. Leave a view, a comment, a question, anything. I'm going to hang out with you down there. Thank you for spending time with me. I'll see you in my next upload. Peace. I'm out.